So after you have your logo drawn on a can that you like, and this might have taken you 2 or 3 steps or tries, um, but once you have one that is the right size and proportion to the image that you were looking at, has the same font that is also similar to the size on the can that you were looking at, you're going to outline it in black marker or at least something dark. Um, and what you're going to do with this one now is just like you had the can that you were using to trace multiple cans, now you're going to use this one as your tracer for your logo of your cans. Okay, so that sounds like we're going through a lot of paper, but this is the last major step. So you are now, after you have your logo drawn, this is all outlined in black marker. Now you're going to tear it out and you are going to carefully trace it into or onto 4 different sheets. Okay, so you want 4 different cans. Okay, and nothing's colored in. That's really important. Okay, you are just going to trace this can 4 times. Now, because of these fringes, it kind of makes it hard to set it in there. So if you need to, you can cut. And that allows me to put this can in the center of the paper. So we don't need to be exact, but you'll notice I'm coming up a little bit on the top because I'm going to try to put it in what I think is the center. Okay. Then using either a fine tip marker or a normal Sharpie or a washable marker that's black, you're going to outline this. And the pointier the tip, the better, just because we're going to be doing some skinnier areas. Then start however you would like. Just please take your time. That's why I'm giving you all day today. You want 4 copies of this can. Make sure that when you're done tracing them, that you have all of the details that you had on the original can. I noticed yesterday with some of my in-person students that they were just writing the words, and unless you can show me an example, every single letter that's going to be on a can is going to be a bubble letter, which is a good thing for when it comes to future steps where we add color, because we want to be able to add color inside of the letters. Okay, so they're not a normal letter that's just drawn out. So I have my can traced. Take this out, turn a page, and now I want to try to get about the same spot. And now I'm going to trace this one, and then I'm going to do it 2 more times. Why? Because we need 4 cans that are all the same with the same amount of detail. Now, my logo is simple. Some of you have a way more complicated logo, so it's going to take you a little while. That is why I'm giving you today to do this and Friday's class. So this is what needs to get done by the end of Friday's class. So 4 traced and outlined with black. All right. So if you get 2 done today, save the next 2 for Friday. If you're behind and you're still doing what we did yesterday, then you're going to want to try to get a little bit more done. All right. So good luck. Let me know if you have any issues.